Hello everybody, this video is about Veli Tourist Village. Veli Tourist Village is a popular picnic destination in Thiruvananthapuram district. It consists of a large garden on the southern banks of Veli Lagoon. A floating bridge connects this garden to the Veli Beach. This picnic destination offers a wide range of attractions such as play areas for children, various boat rides in Veli Lake, games, horse rides, swimming pool, shopping stalls, cafeterias, a floating restaurant, a long walkway connecting to Aakulam Lake, stone and grass sculptures by Kanayi Kunhiraman which dots the garden landscape, a collection of pet birds such as pigeons and swans, small ponds with fish and tortoises, and more. Veli Tourist Village offers a wide variety of activities for children, adults, and families. The beauty of Veli is that it offers something to everyone. There are multiple small children's parks in Veli. The first one is on the right side of the Veli main entrance. There are a number of small rides for children. Swings are also provided for children and adults. The swings are even marked as children and couples. Children are known to have a lot of fun climbing the sculptures here and the speedboat ride across the waters. They find this place most enjoyable, even better than Veli Beach, for it's here that they can have the fun running around the kids park and enjoy speedboating with their families. A recent attraction in Veli Tourist Village is a miniature rail system. The miniature rail has all the features of a fully equipped rail system, including a tunnel, station, and a ticket office. This solar energy driven miniature train is built as a country's first of its kind. This train has 3 bogies and 1 locomotive which can accommodate 48 passengers and 2 crew members. TourFed, that is a Kerala State Cooperative Tourism Federation, is doing the operation of this miniature train. This eco-friendly solar-powered 2.5 km miniature railway will enable visitors to enjoy the beauty of nature. An artificial steam sported by the engine of the train, modelled after the vintage steam locomotive, will stir nostalgic feelings. The station house is also designed in a traditional style. Boating in the lake is what attracts a large percentage of tourists visiting Veli. Boating is operated by KTDC and multiple types of boat rides are offered here. Usually the boat ride lasts for 20 to 30 minutes and it covers the stretch from Veli beach side to the NH47 bypass bridge. That's almost a kilometer. The boats available include safari boats, pedal boats, rowboats, and speed boats. The boating is open from 10 am to 5 pm and there's a lunch break between 1 pm and 2 pm. cafeterias and a floating restaurant operated by KTDC in Veli. These cafeterias offer snacks, ice cream, soft drinks, etc., and are comparatively cheap for a tourist destination. The floating restaurant is priced on the medium range and offers excellent views of the lake and the beach. One can order a hot coffee and watch the sunset from here. Shops are located on the main road outside the Veli tourist village entrance and also on the beach side where the lake meets the beach. One can buy everything that you can get when you visit a festival ground. The prices are reasonable. One can buy something for supporting the local population. Veli offers excellent opportunities for bird watchers. The hotspots include the large trees located near the boating area, then trees located on the southern side of the floating bridge, and the lake areas towards the NH47 bypass bridge. Early morning is the best time for bird watching. Veli is a heaven for bird watchers that come here to watch the local bird species that are found in our nets. Veli is also a good place to try out our photography skills. The beach, the lake, birds, gardens, stone sculptures, and the overall landscape offers excellent opportunities for trying out various types of photography. The garden here is excellent and is well stocked and well maintained. Valley is known for its panoramic backwater stretch and breathtaking beaches and highlands. And the roads crossing the lake offers an excellent view of the place. Just to the right side of the main entrance, we will come across a pond with a huge seashell that is sunk in the middle. This is the signature landmark of Veli Tourist Village. This concrete sculpture of Shank is made by the famous sculptor Kanayi Kunhiraman in 1986. There are 3 sculptures. Shank is the title name of the sculptures. And this pond contains a huge population of tortoises, and we can find them floating over the water. There is also a beautiful garden around this place. On the right side, we can find a flock of swans, that is arenums. On the left side, there is a beautiful sexy grass sculpture of a sleeping woman created by Kanayi Kunhiraman. And there are also a number of other stone sculptures which are also created by the famed sculptor Kanayi Kunhiraman. The floating bridge connects the Veli garden to the Veli Beach over a branch of the Veli lake. As we walk towards the beach over this bridge, one can spot plenty of birds on the left side. After the crossing, we can head straight towards the beach. On the way, there is an open space with a number of shops and small games. At the Veli Beach, there are a number of indoor games and rides suitable for both adults and children, like horse riding, caricature drawing, etc. Some of the other fun things here. Most of them are cheap and run by families living on the beach side. The beach here is rough, but unlike Kovalam or Shangamugam, it offers a more private experience. Recently, an elevated walkway has also been constructed along the beach, extending to the south side of the beach. This is an ideal place to relax, maybe with a coffee.